ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal, which we have been looking for buy. This is what we get. And when the price was within this move, exactly here, we mentioned whoever have a trade, they should move their stop loss to break even. Okay, now we want to see, as we can see the price correcting here, we want to see whether we can look for that's me looking for buy. We want to see whether we can get any trade set up or not. The only thing is we need to be aware. May this one slowly turn to a correction and drop. May we get the reversal, because if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned maybe we get what we have here, we can expect for one more. Maybe this one we can put in relative to each other. The reason I'm mentioning this one, if we get any buy from here, we need to be aware about this possibility. Mostly we're looking for the buy for continuation. Okay, in this case we start with higher time frame, we start with daily chart. As you can see, based on daily chart, we have been looking for buy for reversal. This is what we get, and what we want the continuation. But we need to be aware, may this one drop and this one to turn to more corrective, and the price can retest this low. What I want to say is that if we get any buy setup, we need to be aware about these possibilities. If it's not moving, we don't stay with the trade. And if you refer to our forward chart, again, based on what we have right now, this is a correction for continuation. Again, still we may this one turn to a one running flat for one more drop. If we get any drop, the next level we're looking for is 1. Okay, by the way, from what we have technically, we put similar to what we have here. We're looking for continuation. If we get any buy setup with the breakout of this top, we start to manage. But the first, if we get any above, this is 1.35. If we get any buy setup, this is where we move our stop loss to break even. Okay, what we want to get the trade and sharp. I mean, what the next move we want us to be sharp, similar to what we have here. If it's a corrective, I think we cannot get really good trade. We just don't stay with the trade if it is not moving. And if we move to 1 hour chart, this is what we have based on 1 hour chart. Still, this one we can drop a bit more before we get the next move. And how about if I move to 15 minute? This is what we're looking for, 15 minute. All right, that's why I made this one. Still, we can expect to retest this low before we get the reversal. By the way, can we put this one as a correction in relative to this for one more drop? Also, we need to be aware of this, because the price after we get this up move, the way it's drop is very sharp, and this is turned to a correction. That's why we can expect to get one more drop before we look for reversal. That's why I mentioned maybe the price can retest this low. Why? Because if this one turned to a correction for what we have here, maybe the next move is the one is going to reverse to tag almost maybe say 1. Okay, that's why if we want to look for buy, we need to be aware about what we have here, because this correction, if we put in relative to this, is for the down move, not the up move. That's why if we want to look for buy, again, let the price drop one more, at least retest this low, then any reversal from there we can look for buy. And if we want to have entry above this, we need to be quite careful, because easily the price can tag this one turn to a flat in relative to this for one more drop, if the price haven't tagged this low. But if the price tag here, that means this one drop, the next move mostly we can expect the one is going to break the stop. By the way, what we have right now, we're looking for buy, not sell. And in this case, even I'm just now we mentioned about the possibility of the down move. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.